Okay, I am down at the other end of the quilt, and I am going to turn the corner here. Let's see if I can angle the camera. This is switchback. We're going to use this as a tool in the toolbox for the Machine Quilting Ultimate Guide blog hop. I didn't get that title right. But these are the basic toolbox, which is our go-to stitches for most quilters who can incorporate these in all different kinds of ways. All right, let's see if I can turn this corner better than I did the first. Oh, much better. And that's all the throat space I have. Switchbacks for the toolbox.